Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. We have so many different cryptocurrencies that we need to talk about in today's video, including Bitcoin, including Ethereum, including Chainlink, major Solana news, major Fantom update, even some revealing statistics on Shiba Inu. Of course, the top story of the day is that the Apple CEO, Tim Cook, has revealed his cryptocurrency investments. If you appreciate our content, smash the like button, check the timestamps below because we have a lot to talk about. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed as to everything going on in the cryptocurrency space and all our favorite altcoin projects which are making news. Let's dive right into it. Again, like the video if you appreciate us coming at you. Top story is this. Apple CEO Tim Cook has revealed his personal cryptocurrency investment portfolio. The Apple CEO says he's actually been researching cryptocurrencies for a while. So he has yet to articulate what Apple, the company, is planning to do with cryptocurrency as far as which ones they're actually buying. But the key takeaways for this story are as follows. Apple CEO Tim Cook has stated that he owns cryptocurrencies. Cook has also stated that Apple is looking into allowing Bitcoin and crypto payments through Apple Pay. Whether Cook's allocation in his personal portfolio means that Apple will also invest in cryptocurrencies remains to be seen. Let's get right into it with this first-hand primary source CNBC host hosting the DealBook Online Summit puts Tim Cook on the spot. How do you feel about crypto? Are you invested? Which cryptocurrencies do you hold? He answers the question in this clip, then we'll discuss.
Any Bitcoin or Ethereum? Would you play around with this?
I do, yeah. I think it's reasonable to own it as a part of a diversified portfolio. And I'm not giving anybody investment advice, by the way.
When did you get interested in it?
I've been interested in it for a while, and I've been researching it and so forth. And so I think it's interesting.
Coy, sir, very coy, almost seemed embarrassed to admit that he holds both Bitcoin and Ethereum. What do you think his tonality and body language was signaling when he admitted that he personally owns both Bitcoin and Ethereum? And which other cryptocurrencies do you think that Tim Cook personally owns? I mean, I take him at face value. I do truly believe that the majority of his portfolio is Bitcoin and Ethereum, like so many others of us allocate to because they're the market movers. But I would suspect that Tim Cook most likely at least owns one other cryptocurrency, if not many more. Now the question is it a DeFi coin? I think that's highly possible. Is it an NFT platform? I think it's highly possible. Is it another dApp platform like Ethereum competitors and interoperators? That is the question. Then of course the bigger question is, yes, the Apple CEO owns Bitcoin, but I want Apple to own Bitcoin. When will Apple allocate a certain percentage of their treasury into Bitcoin, which is honestly the smart thing the companies do, and I think we're going to see more and more companies do this. Anyway, that's the news with Apple. We will continue to keep you updated as this story develops. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get to some altcoin news. Fantom Wallet, which is probably the most popular wallet that Solana users use. Fantom Wallet preps for mobile launch after reaching major milestone, not 1 million, but 1.2 million users on Solana. The Fantom Wallet is a popular way for Solana traders to navigate DeFi. It says a mobile version is coming soon, and the facts you need to know are this. The wallet right now is actually only currently available on desktop. Fantom is planning a private beta release this year with a full mobile launch in January. Solana, many metrics, their whole ecosystem cannot be ignored, and this mobile wallet probably cannot come at a better time, especially when we see stuff like this. Reddit co-founder, who is a huge Ethereum bull, hugely bullish on Ethereum, Reddit co-founder and Solana Ventures team up on a 100 million Web3 social media initiative. Reddit and Solana's founders have teamed up to announce a $100 million initiative for Web 3.0, specifically social media technology. So the Reddit co-founder already understands what it takes to build a successful social media empire. Reddit's a great platform. Teaming up with Solana to launch a Web 3.0 version. Will this work out or not? I'm not sure. We need more details, but the fact that they're doing this with Solana, huge green flag in my opinion. And whether we're talking about Solana or whether we're talking about Ethereum, we continue to see updates and adoption developments just like this. Discord CEO teases integration with Ethereum wallet MetaMask. So Discord is a huge software platform. Gamers use it, streamers use it. They have a huge audience as a way for people to communicate. Well, last night, Discord CEO Jason Citron shared a screenshot on Twitter of what appears to be a MetaMask wallet connectivity feature inside the popular messaging platform's user settings. This is the picture that he shared. This is what Discord looks like, and as you can see, Ethereum MetaMask integration. MetaMask, if you're unfamiliar, is one of the crypto industry's most popular crypto wallets, boasting 10 million active users as of August this year. And to go along with this story, what's kind of the vision if Discord and Ethereum were to integrate? Well, it comes on the back of this tweet. Imagine a place built for gamers, home to everyone playing the great online game, has 150 million monthly active users, generates 130 million in revenue, and is a Web3 sleeper. Well, we're talking about Discord partnering with Ethereum. And speaking of Ethereum, since nobody's said it yet, 800,000 Ethereum has been burnt since EIP 1559 has launched. Our original investor's thesis is playing out right in front of our eyes. Before we get to more altcoins, let me take 60 seconds and turn you on to a major opportunity that most people in crypto do not realize they can take advantage of. Most people in crypto do not know about this, but this can benefit most crypto holders and traders greatly. And this opportunity is through a sponsor of ours, Choice App. So if you're unfamiliar, Choice App enables you to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other traditional assets, including 22 and counting crypto assets, without having to pay a dime in capital gains tax. This is huge. So Choice App offers more crypto assets than actually any other retirement app. They offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, Aave, Cosmos, Polkadot, Chainlink, Maker, Solana, Uniswap, Yearn Finance, and many, many more, and they will continue to add more in the future. Choice App, in my opinion, is the best IRA retirement app for crypto holders because they specifically gear their services to cryptocurrency traders and holders. A lot of other companies just tack on crypto. Not these guys. You can hold your own keys. Their fees are low and highly competitive. You can hold and trade cryptocurrency with no capital gains tax. This is huge. If you think that your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack into Choice App so that when you're ready to cash out, you will not have to pay any capital gains tax. Your future self will thank you. In my opinion, Choice is the best retirement IRA app on the market today for crypto holders. If you want more info, we actually did an interview with their team not too long ago. This interview is linked in the description, and we go over all the frequently asked questions. Use the link in the description and get $50 in free Bitcoin when you start your Choice App account today. Little bit of Fantom news. Whenever we talk about Polkadot, Solana, AVAX, Elrond, I always get some comments saying, hey man, you're sleeping on Fantom. It's actually usually you're sleeping on Fantom or you're sleeping on Cosmos. Well, today we have some Fantom news for those of you who are big fans of Fantom. And I'm pretty neutral on it to bullish. I don't own any Fantom, but they're certainly doing big things. Following the latest governance proposal, we lowered the amount of Fantom tokens necessary to run a validator node. Starting today, the minimum requirement to run a validator node on Fantom is 500K Fantom tokens. Still out of a lot of people's reach, but they have lowered it. The community decided this through a governance proposal, and now it's lowered to this threshold. Congrats, Fantom users. And congrats to all the Link Marines out there. The more I learn about Chainlink, the more I understand it and the more I like it. And I really liked what co-founder Sergey Nazarov just said. I don't know if you've been watching this. Chainlink's Sergey Nazarov predicts DeFi returns through your bank by next year, in a few months, and actually throughout next year in 2022. Speaking at the Solana Breakpoint conference, Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov said DeFi will continue to attract institutional attention. And, TLDR, I'll sum up his talk. Institutions are interested in Bitcoin, but they're also interested in DeFi. They really like that aspect of crypto because they like generating yield. They like getting returns. We can see this. We can see Mark Cuban getting into it, Mr. Wonderful getting into it. A lot of notable people in institutions, and Sergey Nazarov thinking towards the future, saying by 2022, I'm sure, right now it's still really nascent and people aren't thinking ahead, but I'm sure by next year, or even at some point in general, you're going to be able to get the DeFi yield right through your bank. Why wouldn't your bank offer this as a service to try and get a piece of it? And we don't need the bank, but why won't the bank get into it? Clearly, this is the future. So I really liked this. Let's talk about Shiba Inu, SHIB. What do you think about Shiba Inu? Did you realize this? And this is provable on chain. 10 wallets hold 72% of the total Shiba Inu supply. Who are they? Well, we don't know exactly who they are. We can see some of their transaction history. We know that they're big whales. We know that if they ever tried to cash out their portfolio, or even a portion of their portfolio, because Shiba Inu is a lot newer than some projects, of course, they would tank the price because there's not a lot of liquidity compared to like Bitcoin or Ethereum. So just understand, this is a risk in different cryptocurrencies to varying degrees in general. This is a risk for all cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the best Gini coefficient. Ethereum has the second best Gini coefficient. And, after that, it comes with major risks like this. Now, SHIB, 72%. All cryptocurrencies aren't like that. Some are 40%, 50%, 60%, 20%, 30%. It really depends. But just understand, SHIB holders, eventually, bull markets don't last forever. SHIB could 100x between now and 6 months from now, for all I know. But keep in mind, in my opinion, have a plan to realize profits. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. My name is Aaron. This is Altcoin Daily. Subscribe to the channel. Like we've been talking about all of this here, and for years, the cryptocurrency market is really heating up. Bitcoin, Ethereum, both breaking all-time highs. This is everything we've been looking forward to, my friends, and we're here for all of it.